Now listen very carefully. I shall say this only once. You are to take this container.
I see. And what does this container contain?
Balls.
Michel, up until now, our relationship has been on a very civilized and friendly basis. If I have ever said anything to offend you...
Balls gin.
Oh,
This type of gin is colored a very pale blue.
well, I run a bar. I do know that.
Nitro-glycerin is also colored a very pale blue.
Oh, I didn't know that. But what is the connection?
This is nitro-glycerin.
Ah.
Be very gentle with it. Do not drop it. Do not let anyone see it. Add it in your cellar. At 11 o'clock, there is going to be a big bang.
But that was not definite. It was only a loose arrangement.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
I am asking you to add this bottle in your cellar. It is to blow up the railway line.
But the railway line does not run over my cellar. My restaurant runs over my cellar.
I know that. I will be back to collect it quite soon.
Well, in that case, why don't you just keep it?
Because if the Germans find it, they will shoot me.
Well, if they find it here, won't they shoot me?
You have a cafe. You have a bar. Why should you not have a bottle of Bowles gin?
If I could think of a reason, I would give you one.
So here we go, the same refrain, the final encore. You are my love, my only love, once more. You are my love, my only love, once more. Oh, thank you for your kind applause. Now, are there any requests?
2 beers and some more cheese.
What would you like, Lieutenant?
Well, I have a fancy for something a little different. What do you suggest?
Maybe a small pot and lemon?
That would do very nicely. Where is Monsieur René? I have been trying to catch his eye all night, but I think he is avoiding me.
He has a lot on his mind at the moment, but I'm sure he is not trying to avoid you. He's too busy trying to avoid his wife.
That is very interesting. Monsieur René!
Ah, Lieutenant, have you got a drink?
I was asking for something a little different. What is that you have there?
Oh, it's just a very exotic gin.
Ah, it is new to me. What is it?
Balls.
Monsieur René, so far our relationship has been on a civilized and friendly basis. If I feel in any way...
No. B-O-L-S. Balls.
Oh, so sorry. It is most intriguing. I will try some.
Oh, no. I cannot open the bottle just for one gin.
Well, make it 2 balls. You have one also.
No, even for 2, I cannot open it.
Well, perhaps she would like one as well.
Yes, I would love one.
You do not drink on duty.
Since when?
Since now.
Perhaps you would like to give your wife one.
Out of the question.
Well, I will buy the whole bottle.
It's not for sale.
Are you trying to get rid of me?
Not deliberately, no.
Monsieur Leclerc,
Madame.
take this gin to my mother.
Gin. I have forgotten how it smells. So long have I been in the nick.
Maria, take this and mix it with the corn for the chickens. It will help them to lay.
Yes, Colonel.
René, sit down.
Oh, thank you, Colonel.
Now, listen, René. I will come straight to the point. If you do not get these uniforms by tonight, you will be shot.
You don't beat about the bush, do you, Colonel?
I do not.
No, why don't you try it sometime? It's better for the nerves, especially my nerves.
Well, do we get them or not?
Colonel, they are coming from London.
London?
Helga, the less you know, the better.
Put some cheese in your ears.
I'm afraid there was a slight delay, Colonel. The tailor had to go to a bar mitzvah.
A Jewish tailor? Whatever that means.
I will speak to someone who will make contact. They will try to get them delivered to us tonight.
Your life depends on it.
So do our little toes.
Come on, little chickens. Come on. It's dinner time. It is time I am singing again. I need something to steady my nerves. You know, singing to a crowded room takes a special kind of courage.
It's lucky you are so brave.
What are you doing with that bottle?
Yeah, I'm just going to wet my whistle.
You fool! This could blow your whistle through the top of your head.
What are you saying?
I am saying it is to blow up a train. I am saying it is nitro-glycerin.
I have given some to my mother and the chickens.
Oh no, this is disaster. Those are the only chickens we have.
What about my mother?
That drink. Oh, it make your mama very frisky.
What happened?
She got out of bed, went to pick up her slippers, and blew the door off the wardrobe.
Quick, the chickens.
Oh, what's the matter?
Stop throwing this corn so hard.
It's all gone.
Where?
Inside the chickens.
What? Well, where are the chickens?
Where they always go to lay the eggs behind the hedge.
Well, that was only 5. Where is the other?
The cockerel chased her into the hen house.
Song bang.
You are looking at a walking legend.